Hello everyone, welcome to Clinical Gyan. Today we are going to discuss about the changing roles and responsibilities of a CRA. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more updates. EDC systems have increasingly become the mainstream in clinical research, replacing the use of paper CRFs. The role of a clinical research associate or clinical monitor was well defined in 90s, but with adoption of EDC tools, the role of a CRA has also changed. However, the basic responsibilities remain the same, but what has changed is the approach. The responsibilities of a CRA is clearly mentioned in ICH-GCP guidelines. Here is a summary of those responsibilities. A clinical research associate ensures the compliance with trial protocol, checks clinical site activities, makes on-site visits during the setup, conduct, and closeout of a trial, reviews case report forms for completeness and inconsistencies, communicates with clinical research coordinators, perform investigational product accountability, assure the protection of the rights, safety, and well-being of subjects, ensures that the scientific integrity of the data collected is protected and verified, assures that adverse events are correctly documented and reported. Prior to EDC, the large share of a CRA energy would be consumed on focusing or fulfilling two major responsibilities, that is, checking the accuracy and completeness of case report form entries and source documents, and the other would be informing the investigator of any CRF entry error, omission, or illegibility. Very little time was left for much else to be done. With the advent of EDC systems, many of these data cleaning tasks have been either fully automated or been made much more efficient to manage. Some of these automations are edit checking CRF. Whenever a discrepant data is entered, edit check would prompt a query message. This edit check helps the site personnel to enter the correct data. Next is manually querying sites. Manual queries could be opened by a data manager, a clinical coder, or monitor upon manual review of the data for clarification or correction to a specific item. Source data verification. Study monitoring plan is a review to determine which CRFs and fields need source document verification. In EDC systems, monitors use SDV boxes to document their reviews within the study database. Remote monitoring is also becoming more popular, with investigational sites providing remote access to electronic medical records and transmitting de-identified source documents. Qualification. Adoption of EDC has also added a new item to the sponsor's wish list for a CRA, that is computer skills, that was once a monarchy of clinical trial data managers. A CRA is required to possess an academic degree in life sciences and needs to have a good knowledge of good clinical practice and local regulations. The CRA can work directly for the sponsor company, or they can work for a contract research organization, or they can also work as a freelancer. This was all for today's topic. To get more such videos, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.